Good morning, everyone. We are actually here today at a park that we have never been to on the channel. That is right, it is Disney California Adventure Park at the Disneyland Resort, a park that I've never been to before. We were here for a little bit, a few hours yesterday. Had a great time on Web Slingers and also Mission Breakout. But then today we have already done Incredicoaster and Radiator Springs Racers, knocked those out of the park. I wasn't gonna film. I wanted to enjoy the park, especially a new park, just like taking it all in without filming much. But now for the second part of our day, we're just gonna film, and soon, once park hopping becomes a thing, we will head on over to Disneyland right across the way and go have a fun time there. But I mean, come on guys, it's Disneyland, for crying out loud. We're gonna have a great day, filming or no filming. It's gonna be awesome, and I am thrilled to take you guys along with me. So let's go and see where the day takes us and have a blast. Let's go have a Disney day. But just look where we are, guys. We are definitely not back in Florida anymore. This is amazing. A park I've dreamed of coming to for years, and we finally are here. It just feels so surreal. Oh, and Tiffany's here too. Hey! And what's weird is that this whole Pacific Wharf area of the park is actually currently being converted into San Francisco from Big Hero 6. Even got some signage right over there. San Francisco Square Cannon Company.
Slow down! You're not racing yet. Just follow me to the later. Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever go tractor tipping? With me? You come on up and home. The champion needs speed.
That's Scott.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Oh, you, my friend, only the best. Sit up. Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, what? Old tires. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line. Okay. Only what you got, kid. Hold tight around the turn. Hold it out. On that track. You won!
Time for lunch at Flo's V8 Cafe.
Clear the runway. Spider-Man is ready for takeoff. Wow! Oh no, this might hurt.
All right, so we just popped out of DCA now because park hopping on the West Coast is at 11 a.m. So we're heading on into Disneyland now. And nothing like stepping onto the original Main Street USA. And this is so nostalgic for me. Now just look at this. All the 100th decorations on it truly do make it just feel all that much more magical. She's a small one. You may have to squint your eyes to see her from, you know, the end of Main Street, but she definitely is beautiful. But I definitely do love this castle. After all, it is the original 1955 Sleeping Beauty Castle.
Power transfer in 3, 2,
leads to timeless youth and look into my eyes. Your path now leads to the days of doom.
Up to the left.
Try with your shoulders. Because I wasn't going to tell you it's going to make a fire with one of them, and then it's going to be top and Hi friends, how's up? Did we just teleport back to him to Hollywood Studios?
Swansea easy, Lord.
I'm so happy.
All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, have a look around.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please. It went this way.
No, that way.
A really important thing. I'd like to say hello to that later.
She likes it red. If she's so white with that,
She likes a horse.
and it's
His Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
This is Rule 42. The Queen always wins.
Nothing can stop us now. Make it happen. Let's make it happen. Spend the day in countryside.
The countryside. And have a perfect absolutely nothing will go wrong.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks. Hello there. How are you doing?
Hey, wake up.
You're going to look there, aren't you?
What is there to play? What is that?
Oh, no. I must have hit that track switch.
thing I love about Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway from over here on the West Coast is that they actually have a proper gift shop at the end of the ride. Right down there is where guests exit the attraction. They even have a little model train going up on the top.
I think these are
Look at
kinda
this.
fun.
They've got the power limes. I heard about these online. Definitely a purchase I will be making today.
Be sure to watch your children and no smoking, please.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los niños. Por favor.
That towering fortress in the distance is home to the Tomorrow Collection, where the collector showcases its newest acquisitions from Guardians of the Galaxy. We're now passing Grizzly Peak, land of scenic wonders.
Well guys, that's gonna do it today from the wonderful Disneyland Resort. We saw a lot, we did a lot. I didn't want to film too much. I wanted to really enjoy myself this trip, which is kind of why I just did little snippets from attraction to attraction without doing like a traditional type vlog. But we definitely had a blast the past 2 days here at Disneyland and this whole California trip. Unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and we will be traveling back home out east tomorrow, I believe. So, but anyway guys, that's gonna do it, it looks like. I mean, we basically went to both parks. We went to Disneyland, Disney California Adventure, where we of course started the video. And hopefully we will be back in the near future to Disneyland or some other parks planned, or just, you know, California in general. Because I really do love the parks out here, guys. You have no idea. I mean, can't Disney World just get like the Matterhorn or even this Space Mountain, which to me is significantly better than ours back home. But anyway guys, if you're new around the ParkTwister, of course be sure to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. That was perfect timing with the music.
It's so funny to the end.